Hi, today we are going to discuss about selection in HRM. So, topics to be covered by today: meaning and definition in selection, importance in selection, and selection process. So, first one is meaning and definition of selection. So, selection is a process of identifying and hiring applicants for filling the vacancies in an organization. So, once the selection is completed, finally the candidate entered into placement. This is the general process in selection. And second one is definition. According to Yoder, selection is the process in which candidates for employment are divided into two classes: those who are be offered employment and those who are not. Selection means a process by which qualified personnel may be chosen from the applicants offering their services to the organization for employment. So generally, selection is a process. They will be selected depends upon their knowledge and qualification offered by the organization. Depends upon their job fit, they will be selected. Importance of selection. So here, selection process is going to be taken by the organization. So once the organization should consider in selection, that is procurement of suitable candidate is possible. So once the organization going to hire some employees, they have to be consider those who fit for the right person for the right job. And second thing is, good selection reduce the cost of training and development. So once they choosing the employees, they will be they want training or not needed. So once the training needed means they will be giving additional cost for the training, so that is another expenses for the organization. So that also have to be considered by the organization. And third one is proper selection resolves personal problems. So problems like labor turnover, absenteeism and monotony, so the labor should be properly maintained. So monotony means lack of interest, so they have to be create more interest, like the motivating employees, like that. And third one is selection process. So there is a few process. Depends upon that they will be comes comes to the end of placement. So first thing is screening applicants. So screening means short of application forms. So they will be giving applications in a blank format. In that form they have a few questions about the employee details. They have to be filled up, like they will be asking about their biodata and achievements, experience, like that. And second thing is selection methods. So organization hold different kind of selection test to know more about the candidate or to reject the candidate. It may contain factual information about the candidates, like aptitude, interest, personality, etc. And third one is interview. So interview means a personal interviews between the candidate and the HR person. So in many cases, interview of preliminary nature can be conducted before the selection test. So they have to be given relevant information about their candidates, about the organization to the candidates. And next one is reference and background in verification. So many organizations ask the candidates to provide the names of reference. So this will be given related to the character and working experience, like that. And next one is medical examination. So certain jobs require unusual strength to tolerance of hard working condition. A physical examination reveals whether or not a candidate possesses these qualities. So it brings out the deficiencies not as a basis of rejection but as a positive way to selective placement and as indicating restrictions on his transfer of other positions. So medically they will be fit, or they are ready to transfer some other places to work. So these are the these will include in the medical examination. And next one is approval by the appropriate authority or hiring decisions. On the basis of the above steps, suitable candidates are recommended for selection by the selection committee or personnel department. So like personnel department is HR department, they will be recommended for selection. Then through such a committee or personnel department may have authority to select the candidate. Thank you.